Hello guys, Roshan864 here, back with another video. In this video we'll be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inches. I think this is 2019 version. So let's get to it. Let's just look on the back of the box first. And as we can see here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. We've got 32 gigabytes. This is the Wi-Fi model, not the cellular. We've got 64-bit octa-core processor, 10.1 inch display, which is a full HD plus, and which is I forgot the exact resolution. And then you've got an 8 megapixel autofocus camera on the rear, and on the front you've got 5 megapixels. You have got 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM, so your internal storage where you can download apps and your games and music and stuff. And then you got 6150 mAh battery, and you got Dolby Atmos sound effect. As you can see here, and you've got Kids Home, you've got some Lego integration. So let's just open this box up. So just cut this first seal, and then the second. That's it, and we'll lift the box up. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we're presented with this cloth here. How we're meant to get this out. Okay, so that comes out like that. Let's just say Samsung on it, as we can see. And so what do we do here? We pull this thing off. Now just pull the tablet out. It's a metal unibody design. As you can see, I got the gold color, something different, copper color. Got USB Type C and your 2 speakers there. Then you got your headphone port and your microphone. And you've got your SD card slot, and that I think would be your SIM card slot if you had the other variant. You got your volume rocker and your power button. As you can see, this is the full screen design without the home button, and up here we've got our camera, as you can see here. Let's see what else we've got in the box. We've got our, I think this is the 1.55 amp, get this in focus here, 1.55 amp 5 volt charger. It's just not that, it's not even fast charging, but you know, it takes time to charge your tablet with that. We have a USB to Type C, and then you've got your ejector tool, and inside here you've got quick start guide and warranty card, and then that's pretty much it. That was it. Let's just power on the tablet, and then that'll be the end. Press and hold the power button. Then we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A powered by Android. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.